get students to thrive in schools, we can introduce technology. Now we can talk about how much laptops cost and how unfeasible it is to get every student a laptop like most people talk about, because laptops can cost minimum $500, and $500 times 1,000 students per school approximately is $500,000, money that no one has. So let's make this a hypothetical situation. Let's say a big bag of money just fell from the sky and we can get laptops for everyone. What do we do with them? Are we going to still use textbooks and have laptops sit next to us looking pretty and nice, but acting as giant $500 expensive paperweights? We can't do that. We need to take these laptops and integrate them into our education system. With laptops, classes can become structured differently. You can forsake sitting in a classroom taking notes entirely. You can make it more like a college lecture, but put it all online. All the students in the school will have days where they have lectures for their classes. They can go around the school building wherever they want with their laptop, and they can tune into the lecture online. Let's say they have a biology lecture at 11 o'clock. They go around the school, go into laptops, and listen to the lecture that the teacher has. The teacher could be lecturing to all of the biology classes in the entire school at once, saving a lot of time and money. The students then listen to the lecture, take notes, and make mental notes of what they don't understand and what they do. Afterwards, students can go into big discussion groups. And not really big discussion groups. Discussion groups would be normal class sizes, maybe 20-ish people. They go to these discussion groups and they talk about what they don't understand. They talk about the lecture that just occurred, talk about what they didn't understand, help students if they don't understand something they do, they help them out. And then the teacher in each discussion group can give online worksheets. And the students can complete the online worksheets, and then the teacher could see the progress they're making and if everyone's making a mistake on problem number 2 about mitosis, teacher can address this is what mitosis is and give a short little lecture about that. However, you can't just forsake testing, because tests are still important and a part of everyday life. So some days, instead of going to a lecture, you would take a test in one of the discussion rooms. But this overhaul of the current system can lead to very different school structure. You can have like little cubicles where students can go and listen to the lecture, or they can just sit in the hallway, whatever they want to do. It would become college-like. And with this technology, you can also do big projects. You still have to do some tests, but you can do less tests. The teacher can give big projects to collaborate with other students in the school and in different school districts around the world. These conferences, you can have these big projects doing video conferences and social media to communicate with these other classes, and they can create something big, not just like a poster or PowerPoint, but like a wiki, an online presentation, or any large project that would be appropriate for the class. But all this can start if we can get laptops. Now, funding is difficult. You can probably turn to some government grants, state grants, in order to fund money for laptops. But if you can get every single student a laptop, the whole entire education system can be changed.